Hello everyone, I'm Meidian Putri Zusana from Lampung province. I want to introduce you about traditional Lampung weaving called Tapis Lampung. Let me show you how to make Tapis Lampung. The materials that we have prepared are the equipment or tool used to make Tapis Lampung is called tekang. Tekang is made of wood or bamboo and it's used as an equipment to support the fabric while weaving. We also need the main materials, which are weaving threads such as gold thread, regular thread, and needle. We also need fabric for weaving. Basically, the fabric for weaving already has guidelines to help us with the tapis embroidery. Before we start weaving, make sure the edges of the fabric are already secure with temporary stitches. This is done so that the fabric can be placed on the tekang and stay tight while being embroidered. After the stitching is done, the fabric can be placed into the wooden tekang for weaving. Before you start your first weaving, make sure you have a picture or sketch of the design you want to create. Then, prepare the thread and needle in a color that match the gold thread. After that, take several strands of gold thread. Here, I am using 7 strands. This process takes a long time and requires a lot of concentration. After the fabric is fully decorated with Tapis Lampung, it can be turned into many types of traditional Lampung crafts such as necklaces, headbands like the one I'm wearing, and selendang or shawls to be worn at special events. Thank you!